Hi, this is Tracy Anderson. Today is Thursday, September 10th, and this is just how I see things going on in the markets right now. Let's first talk about beef. We're getting beyond the Labor Day holiday. We should see some pricings to come off a bit toward the end of the month. Typically, October is when we'll start looking at the holiday pricing, but right now I think we'll see some falling off toward the end of the month, all the way down to the end of September. Grind should come off, round should come off. Middle meats are going to hold on as long as they can. They're going to make as much money off those middle meats as they can, but I think we will see some falling off on the middle meats as well. When we talk about pork, we're going to talk about pork bellies. All the way up to 130 already. I thought we were going to top out at about 120. We're at 130. I think there is some more upside to this market, but I don't think it's long term. I'm going to be buying hand to mouth, no extra buy-ins or anything, because I think this market is going to be short-lived at this high price. Typically in the fall, we see the market come off. Nothing's typical about this year, but we should see that. One thing that is typical this year is hams are moving up now. All the packers are working to get their holiday ham production underway and in the box. So we are seeing some high prices on hams. Loins and ribs really pretty steady right now. When we look at the dairy market, very choppy. Block is already up 22 cents this week. We'll see what the Friday does to close the market off. Barrel's up 12 cents. Butter's only down a penny. Boy, butter's just not getting in the market with like the other guys. But I don't see this market hanging this high as long as it's been. So we'll see what's happening. I want to mention real quick whole turkeys. If you're a guy that gives away whole turkeys and you have not made your commitments already, you may be too late. I don't want to panic you, but you will pay more for birds this year, especially the smaller ones, the 10 to 12s or 12 to 14s that typically are given away as a premium or an employee meal. So pay attention to that. One last couple things. Soy markets are very strong. A lot of buying coming into China. A lot of dry conditions in the Midwest. So soy oil is moving higher. Again, we're about 14% over last year's pricing. We may see that strength through the end of the year, but I'm keeping an eye on that. And that's about all I have to talk about today. So thanks for listening.